So we got this situation to handle. Suppose this is equal to I. Integration from 0 to pi dx by 1 plus 2 power 10x. And you know that, like, right now we are not getting any idea which kind of substitution we should apply. So what we'll do, we will apply King's rule. Okay, means uh, we will add 0 and pi, we will get pi, and then we will replace x with pi minus x. So we will have I equals 0 to pi dx by 1 plus 2 power 10 pi minus x. So you know that you are handling horizontal axis, so no change, 10 will remain 10, but you will fall in second quadrant. In second quadrant 10 is negative, so you have to write down negative. So it is integration from 0 to pi dx by 1 plus 2 power minus 10x. Okay, now the power is negative, so we can write down this part as integration from 0 to pi dx by 1 plus 1 by 2 power 10x. So if you'll do the simplification part, you will be having 0 to pi 2 power 10x upon 1 plus 2 power 10x dx. Okay, so suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So I will add equation 1 and 2 because both are same, the limit is also same. So I plus I will become 2i, and then limit from 0 to pi 1 plus 2 power 10x upon 1 plus 2 power 10x dx. This thing gone, you are left with 1. So integration of 1 is x, then upper limit is pi, lower limit is 0. So we have pi, therefore the value of 2i is pi. We have to find out the value of I, so it will become pi by 2. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.